Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your daily energies, guys, we are picking few cards for your relationship and career situation. We'll be picking cards from other decks, guys. So for your general energies, let's start with these cards. Magician in reverse, Two of Pentacles and Queen of Swords. With these cards in your situation today, Leos, you are that honest and trustworthy person, and you have that knowledge about anything. So whatever your choices or whatever actions or whatever things you do it with that only if you have that deep knowledge about that thing, and you have that accurate perception of your situation and about the people in your situation, guys. But today you feel worried because there is something stressing you, something worrying you today. Maybe it may be some choices in your career or personal life. It may be some kind of a worry about someone, maybe your family member or friend. And today you have many opportunities or offers coming your way, maybe a second career or something that requires your flexibility. So you are trying to adapt your time and energy between these choices. Maybe you are concentrating on your work and in your personal life. So you are trying to be really flexible, juggle between these paths. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. And you are a very dedicated and devoted person. Whatever your dreams are, you are working towards that, Leos. That is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, guys. Let us see what are the cards for your career situation. We'll be picking 3 cards from this deck for your career situation, guys. So this is your first card. It's the completed world, 2 of moons, and 5 of moons. So with these cards in your situation today, in your career situation today, I see that you are regretting something, maybe some mistakes or some wrong choices you did, or some actions on your part, and you are worried about that today, guys. You are afraid that certain things may go wrong because of that wrong choice in your career. But I see here that you are moving towards some kind of business collaboration, so or some partnerships in your work. You are working with people today. You are working as a team, and you are enjoying that benefits of that teamwork, and things may go flow in a very positive way today in your career situation, Leos. Things are going in a positive way, and this teamwork is helping you. People in your work, maybe your colleagues and your employees, they are supporting you, and you are enjoying success, Leos. That you feel that sense of completion today, and maybe it is the right time for success, right time you're tasting success. All your hard work, all that you did till now, it's beginning to manifest today. All your efforts in your career situation, that is manifesting, and you are enjoying this day, this harmonious conclusion, how things are proceeding, and you are happy for how things are going today, guys. And for some of you, you see great changes, some kind of positive changes, and some kind of maybe some kind of negative changes also, but you see it as that divine timing working in such a way that things are proceeding. Maybe in some choices you are enjoying success, in some others there may be some kind of failure, but you take it as that divine power working in your life today, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Leos. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship. We'll be picking cards from this deck for your relationship, Leos. So it's 8 of Fire, Ten of Fire, and 7 of Water. So with these cards in your relationship, Leos, it may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about this person. So in this connection, in this relationship, you have lots of fantasies and dreams for yourself and this person. You have huge expectations about them, and maybe for some of you these expectations may come in the way of these connections. So you have to keep a check on your expectations, guys. So you have to think on a more practical way. Whatever you expect, that dream person, it may just be a dream person, it may not come to reality. So you need to work on your expectations, bring down your expectations. If you do that, you will see some transformations in this connection. This connection may work for you if you don't have that too much fantasies about this person or fantasies about this connection, guys. And in this relationship may work if you are able to find that understanding and love with each other. Go for that co-creation with this person. So that is what these cards are about, guys. So the one thing that may work against you is your fantasy and expectation in this connection, Leos. That is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Leos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.